Hello students. The app you're going to use today is an animation app you can use to make an animated movie. What you need to do is pop up your keyboard and type in ABC and you will see the app ABC Animate. Go ahead and open that app. I'm going to show you a project that I have made previously using this app. One thing that's really important when you make this app is you need to make sure you have your volume all the way off because the song will very much irritate you if you leave it on. So we're going to click on Gallery so I can show you some of the other projects I've already made. This is one I made called Bird. So if I click on Bird and I open up Bird, I will let you see how my movie looks. I'm going to press play down here in this corner. So I'll press play and up it comes. This is my movie of a bird eating a caterpillar. So I'm going to come down here and hit stop. And I'm going to go back to my gallery and I'll show you this one. I also made a video of a crocodile up here in the corner. Let's see if you can watch this one. This video is also of a crocodile eating something. So I'm going to come down here to press play. My crocodile this time is going to eat a bird. You can see I'm not great at this movie making, but it's something that I'm working on getting better at. So I'm going to press stop and go over to gallery again. My daughter made one that is down here called Playing Girl. So I'll open that one for you. And in Playing Girl, the girl is going to do lots of things. So I'm going to click on play. She's going to come over to her house, get a crayon, color on the ground, put on her rollerblades, get a carrot, and eat it. So here she goes. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make a movie today. I'm going to press on stop. I'm going to press on gallery. And now I'm going to press, up here I'm going to press on one of these open spaces for new animation. And my movie is going to open. Now what you're going to notice is up here at the top, all along the top, I have my frames. I'm on frame number 1. I can have 99 frames. What you want to have happen is one thing happen in each frame as your movie moves forward. You'll also notice down here at the bottom, I have some controls. So let's see. The first thing I have over here is draw. I have select. I have undo. And I have image. Draw will allow me to draw up on my screen, and I can come here to use different pen sizes. So I'm going to use kind of a medium-sized pen by clicking on it here, and then I'm going to pick a color. So I can come down here, and today I'm going to draw a sunshine with orange. So I'm going to press on orange, come up to my screen, and I'm going to draw my nice sunshine, and I'll make my lines to come out. Okay, that's my first frame. My next frame, I want to keep the sun there. So I'm always going to do this. After I draw my first picture, I'm going to press on copy frame. So I'll go ahead and hit copy frame, and you'll notice now that I'm on 2. In 2, I want one more thing to happen. So I'm going to come down to draw, and I'm going to go to blue. And I'm going to have on 2, I'm going to have this little bird show up. And really, I probably should have given him some black legs, so I think I'll put black legs over him. Okay, and I'm going to do a little orange beak. Okay, then I'm going to copy my frame again. Now I'm on frame 3, and I'm going to give him something to eat. This time I'm not going to draw what he's going to eat. I'm going to go to images. Images are like your stickers. I'm going to click on images. I have all these images to choose from. Fun objects, people, food, animals, landscape, transportation. So I'm going to come down to foods, and I'm going to have my bird eat this orange. So I'm going to click on orange, and then I have to come here and click on select. And here's my orange. Now down here I have some choices. This one says rotate. So if I want to click on rotate, now I can take that orange and I can rotate it around. But all I can do is rotate. I can't move it. If I want to move it, I have to come down over here and click on move and size. So now I'm going to click on move and size, and I can move that, and I can make it bigger or I can make it smaller if I want to. Okay. Now I also can do flip, which makes it flip the other direction when I touch it. So if I want something to face the other direction, you see how I'm moving it side to side? For example, if I have a bus that's facing to the right and I click on flip, I can make it face to the left. Okay, I also have these buttons down here that say, this one says bring to front, and this one says bring to back. Right down here it says send to back. And so what I can do with that is I can decide that I'm going to put it in front or in back of this little bird's beak. So I'm going to click on send to back because I want to make it look like he's eating it. Do you see how it's going behind him? Okay, so now I'm going to have this apple here, or this orange here, and I'm going to copy the frame, and I'm going to make this orange go into his mouth by simply moving the orange, and then I'm going to hit copy frame. Move the orange, copy frame. Each time I'm going to hit copy frame, you'll see up here now I'm on 7. So now I'm going to take the orange and I'm going to make it completely go into the bird, including the stem, and then I'm going to hit copy frame. If I want to see my movie so far, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit play. So here it comes. He's eating his orange, but I'm going to notice this is a little bit fast. So one thing I can do is I can come down here to the frame rate, and I can move it from fast all the way down to slow. And then I have to click on check, and my rate's going to go slower. Once I hit stop and play again, you're going to notice it comes a little bit slower onto the screen so he can eat it a little bit slowly. Okay, then I'm going to come press stop. So you'll notice that I have all these tools down here. I have draw, select, undo, image, and then over here I have rotate, move and size, flip, send to back, and bring to front. Those are all things that I can do while I'm drawing my picture. One more thing I want to show you is that if you mess up, like let's say I take this bird and I'm going to go on draw and I decide that my bird is going to have these red lines coming out of his head. Oh man, I don't like that at all. That looks ugly. So now I either can do undo or I can erase this whole frame. If undo doesn't work, I can take frame 8 and I can erase it by clicking on clear frame. And what happens now is that frame number 8 goes away with a bird with the ugly lines. And you're going to notice that what I have is my bird here, number 7, and my ugly line bird has gone away. So now I can go back and do copy frame, and I can have something else happen to my next one. Okay, I also can come down to images and I can find another sticker that I want. I can have another bird come, or a dinosaur come, or a bee come. I think I'm going to click on bee, select. Now my bee is going to come up here. I'm going to rotate my bee by clicking on this rotate button down here. Move him sideways. And now he is going to fly. So now I'm going to hit copy frame, move him a little bit. Oh, I'm on rotate. Click move. Move him a little bit. Copy frame. Move him a little bit. Copy frame. Move him a little bit. Copy frame. Each time I'm pressing this copy frame button. Okay, now I can come down to play and I can see what it looks like with my bee in my movie. So here he is eating his peach, and here comes the bee flying down. Okay, when I am finished with my movie, I'm all done. I'm going to press stop, and then I need to do this button right here, save. And when I hit save, it's going to prompt me for a title. Today I want you to just tap in this box right here in the middle and go ahead and type your name. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to click on save. And then you're going to come over here and click on gallery or new. New will allow you to make a new movie. Gallery will allow you to see the other movies that are there. And then you can click on one of these open ones here and make another new movie. Okay, so remember that while you're doing this today, some things might be frustrating to you and some things might be new for you. So the biggest thing is that you want to try. And if your movie gets messed up and you don't like it, make a new one. That's okay. We're practicing today. So one more thing I do want to show you though that I didn't show you is this edit background button up here will allow you to choose if you want to have a city background or an ocean background or a playground. You can do create your own. Today I'm not going to have you import from photos, so please don't do this. If you click on create your own, that's the same as just if you come over here and make your own background. That's the same thing. So I could take my own background, I can get the brown, and I can work on drawing my tree that I want. And I probably should have a thicker marker. I can draw my tree trunk this way, so that I can have my branch or whatever it is that I want to have in my picture, without actually doing choose background. Okay. Today I want you to make a movie. I want you to do your best. I want you to have fun. That's the most important thing. And while you're working, your substitute will dismiss you by tables to check out books. Oh, one last thing. Don't forget your frame rate. Most movies are set to fast. That will be way too fast for your movie. Make sure you move on down to slow and then click on check so that your movie will move at a slow pace. Have fun. Try to make your movie so you draw and you use stickers. All right? Have a great time today in Media Tech and do your best.